When looking at how much interest Tangerine Bank currently pays on its savings account, it is important to understand the difference between their standard base rate and their promotional new client offers. For everyday balances once promotions expire, Tangerine pays a standard base interest rate of 0.3% calculated daily and paid monthly. However, if you are opening a brand new account as a new client, Tangerine frequently runs introductory promotional rates to attract deposits. Currently, new clients can earn a promotional interest rate of 4.5% on non-registered savings accounts and 5% on applicable registered savings accounts like TFSAs or RSPs. This promotional rate typically lasts for the first 153 days, which is roughly 5 months, on eligible balances up to $1 million. Lodavo plus 2. Once that 5-month promotional window closes, any funds remaining in the account revert back to the standard base rate of 0.3%. There are no monthly account fees and no minimum balance requirements to maintain the account, making it accessible, though savers frequently look toward targeted promotional offers or alternative digital banks once the initial teaser rate drops. Understanding whether you qualify for the new client boost or are subject to the base rate ensures you have realistic expectations of your monthly interest earnings. Lodavo plus 1. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.